Today, we're diving into the impressive 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten, a truck that redefines luxury and performance in the pickup segment. The Tungsten trim is the pinnacle of Ram's lineup, combining cutting-edge technology, premium features, and rugged capabilities, making it a standout choice for truck enthusiasts and professionals alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten offers a variety of powertrain options tailored to meet diverse needs. Among the standout engines is the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with e-torque, providing robust power and improved efficiency through its mild hybrid system. For those who demand even more muscle, the available 6.2-liter supercharged V8 delivers breathtaking performance. Additionally, the fuel-efficient 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 is perfect for long hauls and towing, balancing power and economy. The advanced 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts and optimal performance across all engine options. The exterior of the Ram 1500 Tungsten is a harmonious blend of ruggedness and refinement. The Tungsten-exclusive grille design, chrome accents, and 22-inch polished wheels give the truck a bold and commanding presence. Full LED lighting, including adaptive headlights, ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. The multifunction tailgate and Rambox cargo management system add practicality and convenience, catering to both work and leisure needs. With a wide array of available colors and finishes, the Tungsten trim allows for a personalized touch to suit your style. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that rivals luxury SUVs in comfort and technology. Premium materials like quilted leather upholstery, real wood accents, and suede headliners create an upscale atmosphere. The spacious interior offers class-leading legroom and innovative storage solutions, making it ideal for families and work crews alike. The advanced Uconnect 5 infotainment system takes center stage with a 12-inch touchscreen, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and an array of apps. The available 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, ensuring an immersive audio experience. When it comes to capability, the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten does not disappoint. With a maximum towing capacity of over 12,000 pounds and a payload rating exceeding 2,000 pounds, it's designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease. The active Level 4 corner air suspension enhances ride quality and ensures optimal performance, whether you're on the highway or tackling rugged terrain. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate features like the electronic locking rear differential, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making the Tungsten trim as capable off the beaten path as it is on the road. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another strong suit of the Ram 1500 Tungsten. The suite of features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree surround view camera, providing peace of mind on every journey. The advanced collision mitigation system and pedestrian detection further enhance safety, ensuring both driver and passenger confidence. The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten is a testament to Ram's commitment to innovation, luxury, and capability. It seamlessly blends high-end comfort with exceptional performance, making it a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a premium pickup truck. Whether you're towing heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising in style, the Tungsten trim delivers an unmatched experience. Thank you for tuning into Auto Avenue. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time with more exciting content.